So, you're an Ally Bank customer, loving those high-interest savings rates, but now you're wondering, how on earth do I actually put money into this online-only bank? Don't worry, you're not alone. Ally Bank is known for its excellent online banking experience, but sometimes you just need to get cash in that account. In this video, we're going to break down all the ways you can make an Ally Bank deposit. Option 1. Direct deposit. The easiest way. This is the most convenient and often the fastest method. How it works: simply provide your employer or any other entity paying you, like Social Security or a pension fund, with your Ally Bank account and routing numbers. Benefits: automatic, hassle-free, and usually arrives within a few business days. Option 2. Online bill pay. Transfer from another bank. If you have an account with another bank, you can usually initiate an online transfer to your Ally Bank account. Check transfer. Some banks allow you to take a picture of a check and deposit it directly through their mobile app. This image is then processed and the funds transferred to your Ally account. Speed. Transfer times vary depending on the bank and the method used. Option 3. Mobile check deposit. Ally Bank app. The Ally Bank mobile app has a robust check deposit feature. How it works: endorse your check, write for mobile deposit only, and sign it. Open the Ally Bank app and follow the on-screen instructions. Take clear photos of the front and back of the check. Submit the images for processing. Speed. Funds are typically available within 1 to 2 business days, but it can sometimes take longer. Option 4. ATM deposits. Ally Bank ATM network. Ally Bank has a limited physical ATM network. Allpoint ATM network. You can also use any ATM in the Allpoint network without incurring a surcharge. Cash deposits. Simply insert your Ally Bank debit card and follow the on-screen prompts to deposit cash. Check deposits. Some Allpoint ATMs may also accept check deposits. Option 5. Mail-in deposits. For larger amounts, if you have a large sum of cash or a check, you can mail it to Ally Bank's secure processing center. Important: always use certified mail with return receipt requested when mailing cash or checks. Processing time: allow ample time for your deposit to be processed and credited to your account. Important considerations: deposit limits. There may be limits on the amount you can deposit using certain methods. Processing times. Keep in mind that processing times can vary depending on the method and the time of day. Fees. Be aware of any potential fees associated with deposits. For example, some ATMs may charge fees for non-Ally Bank customers. Tips for smooth deposits. Double-check account numbers. Ensure you're using the correct Ally Bank account number for all deposits. Take clear photos. When using mobile check deposit, ensure your photos are well lit and free of glare. Keep records. Keep records of all your deposits, including dates, amounts, and methods. Let's summarize. Direct deposit, the most convenient and often the fastest method. Online transfers, easy to initiate from your existing bank. Mobile check deposit, convenient and available through the Ally Bank app. ATM deposits. Use Ally Bank or Allpoint ATMs for cash or check deposits. Mail-in deposits, for larger amounts, but allow ample processing time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.